Veterinary Clinical Complex is a part of IIVER Bahu Akbarpur situated on Hisar Delhi bypass. Veterinary graduates, diploma holders and internship students are taught and trained in VCC. The farmers brought their cases for different disorders. After unloading their patients, the clinical cases are registered at registration counter. After registration, depending on the type of cases, they are referred to large animal section and small animal section. In large animal section, different type of clinical cases brought are cattle, buffalo, equine, sheep, goat and swines. In large animal section, the cases are divided into different categories and accordingly referred to surgical section, medicine section and gynecology section. In surgical section, routine type of cases brought are for pediatric surgery, for orthopedic surgery, for obstructive urolithiasis surgery and abdominal surgery. In medicine section, routine medicinal cases are for mastitis, blood protozoal diseases, skin problems like lumpy skin diseases and other medicinal problems like tympani and infection. In gynecology section, routine cases brought are for infertility, retention of placenta, prolapse and cases of dystocia. In small animal surgical section, different breeds of dogs and cats are treated for different disease conditions like parvovirus. Students of diploma, veterinary graduates and interns are taught and trained in different sections for auscultation, blood temperature examination, etc. Various diagnostic methods like X-ray and ultrasonography are also performed. After examining clinical cases for any blood, fecal, urine abnormality and diagnostic imaging, cases are treated and medicines are procured from dispensary. Drugs are administered by internship students. After treatment, the owner is advised to give feedback after 6 or 7 days and the cases are followed.